paragraph style is a set of attributes like a font, size, and color that determines how the text in a paragraph looks. You would use paragraph styles so that you can quickly and easily apply a set of formatting choices consistently throughout your document. To access the default styles in Microsoft Word, navigate to Home on the top toolbar, and then you can see here on the Quick Styles toolbar all the different options that you can choose from. If you want to generate a table of contents within your document, you need to make sure that you're using styles for your headings, as this is where the table of contents gets the data from. You can access different versions of the default styles by going to the Quick Styles toolbar and then clicking on the small arrow where you can see lots of different options. To apply the styles, if you make sure that your cursor is placed on the paragraph that you want to apply the style to, and then go up to the toolbar and click, and then you can see that the font will change and the style will be applied. As you can see here, if you place your cursor in the text, it will also show you if a paragraph style has been applied to that text. If you do not like the look of the default styles, you can go up to this button on the toolbar menu which says Change Styles. Here you can change the style set, so there are lots of different options to choose from here. There are also more online. So if you scroll over them, you can see a preview of how the text will look. You can also change the colors. Again, you have a lot of different built-in options that you can choose from. You also have the option of changing the fonts. If you scroll down to the fonts menu, and here you can see the different options that you can choose from.